How to clear search history on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you quickly how you can easily clear your search history on Instagram. So the first thing is you have to launch your app, but before you do that, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. Alright, so just launch your app and also make sure that your app is up to date. Now, to clear your search history, you want to go to this Explorer page at the bottom. So just tap on this icon at the bottom and it will directly take you to your search bar. So here will be your Explorer page, and to view your search bar, just tap on search, and here you will see all of your recent searches. Now, in order to do that, you can tap on see all, and to remove, just tap on this cross icon at the side of the name, and it will clear the search history for that specific account. Now to clear all, just tap on see all and then tap clear all. It will directly clear all of your search history and you don't have to do it individually. And that's how you can easily clear your search history on Instagram. Please hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.